It is my privilege to be here. It is honor to me. And I am very much thankful to the Sadhguruji. And it is my journey, GMR Group journey, a small entrepreneur journey to a dream of building a organization, to building the national assets. We started, what is our vision? What is they started this one teaching to me. Then we said, what are the vision says? We have to build an entrepreneurial organization, entrepreneurial institution in a perpetuity. It makes a difference to the society and by creating value. This is the vision we all created. Then this is a vision we created. Then we cannot run a brewery. We have to disinvest. Then those days I used to get a monthly 30 lakhs. But with great difficulty I sold to Vijay Malaya. Then he says that what is the important for the country? Where the growth is there. Those business we have to do. We cannot do all the business. Then we had a lot of debate we happened. And then we thought that for a country like this, two things are very important. The country is two, rural and urban. We said agriculture and infrastructure. These are two things we will do the projects. And that business, all business we have to start disinvesting. And okay, agro industries and infrastructure. But as a founder, it's very difficult to disinvest. Where particularly when I disinvested in Vaishya Bank, I emotionally, because my recognition in the society through bank, I used to major shareholder, non-executive chairman, lot of recognition. This. Then focusing on the infrastructure business, we are focusing.